इन्होंने जो किया है, आई थिंक एक चीज हम सबको करनी चाहिए. कैन वी ऑल जस्ट bow down to him? Sir, I speak the language, so I'll say it. Sir, kalakitinga, sir.
Thank you, brother.
I mean, the amount of love this film has got in so many days, it just keeps growing. How are you feeling about it?
Good evening, everyone. I'm really happy, and I'm very happy.
All right, there's so much to talk to you about. Why don't you go take a seat as I bring on everyone else? भाई कहते हैं हीरो तब बड़ा होता है जब उसके सामने एक चट्टान की तरह विलन खड़ा होता है. Are you ready for Kali Gaikwad? Ladies and gentlemen, he is the unstoppable force of Jawan, Vijay Sethupathi. So much love everywhere you go. So much love everywhere you go.
Yeah.
Sir, please take a seat. And this, like I said to Atlee sir, there's so many things that everybody wants to ask. I'm going to ask you a lot of questions. Let's get this show started.
Hi.
Okay. ले लो सारे अपनी photos ले लो. Okay, time now to bring on the heartbeat of Jawan, the Dhadkan. Ladies and gentlemen, please give the biggest, the loudest applause for Aishwarya Rathod. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Deepika Padukone. Loved you in the film. लेकिन I think इनके चेहरों पे expression देख के ऐसा लग रहा है this was a huge surprise.
Well, I don't have much to say except thank you so much for all the love. I really just did this for my love for Shah Rukh, and everyone knows the relationship that we share. And I didn't anticipate for this to become so special, but I'm just proud and happy to be here and support the team.
We are so glad that you're here. Please take a seat. All right. I'm gonna let you savor this moment. जी लो इस पल को. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Sure? He's Avinash. Ready? आवाज नहीं आ रही मेरे को. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, आजाद होने का टाइम आ गया है.
Thank you very much, and thank you very much. Okay. बहुत यहाँ पे जो लोग आए हैं सबके पास बहुत कम टाइम है. Thank you. So let me speak for 2 minutes, and then we'll do all the shouting, screaming. Lot of reasons to do it. Let me explain why we are doing this. Of course, my biggest welcome is to the press here. Thank you so much for being present here, all of you. Thank you, fans. Thank you so much. Thank you. If we don't speak, then this show will not go on. So give me 2 minutes, and then we'll go on. I need to tell you the importance of this day to all of us. Of course, it's a celebration of Jawan. All the artists, all the actors, all of them. Shh. Ready. Quiet now. Okay. So I just want to say that very seldom we get an opportunity. बहुत कम मौका मिलता है कि एक फिल्म के साथ हम इतने सालों तक जीते हैं. Jawan has been in the making for 4 years, of course, because of COVID and time constraints. But there were so many people involved in this film, especially people down from the south who came and shifted to Mumbai and have been living in Mumbai for the last 4 years, working day and night for this film, the hardest ever. बहुत लोगों ने अपने घर भी नहीं गए. बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो जिनके बच्चे यहाँ पर हो गए, मेरे डायरेक्टर एटली के. And it's very seldom that we are able to present to the whole press of India the people, yeah. Shh, 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 shh. Will you, sir, hey. Sir, what happens is that it is very seldom that to the whole press of this country, the august press of this country, we present the technicians behind the film. So I want you to please give them the loudest applause. Of course, the wonderful Deepika Padukone is stunning. All the ladies in the film are beautiful. I think Vijay Sethupathi is outstanding. और सुनील ग्रोवर कमाल हैं और मेरा तो जवाब ही नहीं बट इस फिल्म के असली हीरोज एंड हीरोइंस वो टेक्नीशियंस हैं जिन्होंने इस फिल्म को 4 साल से बनाया है. So we will present them to you. They will answer a few questions. They worked really hard. And on my behalf as Red Chillies, there have been 2-3 wonderful people whose teams, which amount to about 100 people at least, have worked very, very hard. I'd like to mention their names if they are somewhere here. Can I see them? So it was co-produced, our producer, Gaurav Verma. Where are you, Gaurav? Yeah. Gaurav Verma, thank you so much for doing all you've done. His EPs, Dharam and Prateek. If they are around, where is Dharam? Where is Prateek? Thank you so much. And there are lots of people in this team who work really, really hard. And the hardest of them all is like family to me. Pooja Dadlani, where is she? She's worked really, really hard on this one. Where are you, Pooja? You can stand and wave also, Pooja, it's okay. And also this wonderful lady who's just become a new mother, Priya, the force behind Atlee. Please say hello to everyone. Loads of people whose names I'm not mentioning. You will see them on stage, some of them who are not here. Nayanthara ji is not here because it's a mother's birthday. So from here to Chennai, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Thank you, Nayanji, for being part of this film. And a big thanks to, of course, Deepika for being as lovely as a friend, for being here, and everybody in the film. Suren, I'll go and sit down. You call upon us all. And
Yes.
thank you for being here, everyone. Thank you.
I'll take it.